How to share location on WhatsApp. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram and then go to the conversation that you want to share your location with. At the messaging box at the bottom, you will see a paperclip icon. Click on it and then click on location. This page will open up right here, from which you can share your live location. You can also share a nearby location like places and restaurant, hotels, stuff like that. Or you can share any location by simply searching for it. And once you're done, once you do that, just click on it and it will be shared automatically. So that was it for this video. That's how you can share location on WhatsApp. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.